Hi, could you start by telling us a bit about yourself and your role in your institution and in INGENIUM?
Hi, I'm Tuulevi Aschan and I come from Finland, Mikkeli campus. I work as a health and well-being specialist in educational development at Southeastern Finland University of Applied Sciences, Xamk. I also teach in Open University.
And about INGENIUM?
This is my first time participating in any INGENIUM work, and this has been a very good experience. I have known all the things that has happened during the years, but well, this was the last possibility, and I'm happy I'm here now.
Thank you. What did you focus on in your session at the Staff Academy?
My focus is on well-being, human connection, and meaningful learning. In INGENIUM, I've been sharing practical ways to make online learning feel more human and engaging. And my session was about simple tools that help students to feel more confident, connected, and active in online learning. And I didn't just explain it, I let people experience it themselves through a short activity. And I also ask questions about the experience afterwards.
Why is this topic something educators should really care about right now?
Because many online courses still feel quite lonely, and students don't drop out because content is missing. There's lots of content. I think they drop out because connection is missing. So we really need simple ways to build participation and connection between the students and between the teacher and the student with the topic. And they need sense of belonging. And that's what I was trying to improve.
What were the key ideas or takeaways you shared?
Very simple ones. Start with connection, not content. Then go to the content. Keep things easy and meaningful, and use small tools like sharing meaningful images, using voice, and positive feedback. I'm framing all these tools with positive psychology and psychological safety and the means which improve this. And we need the experience of presence, even online, or actually we need this experience more online because it doesn't come naturally. And those small things can actually create strong engagement.
Was there anything that surprised you during the discussion with participants?
Yes, actually, how quickly people connected with each other. I have seen it many times, but it surprises me every time, and it makes me feel very happy because it tells that these tools really work. And even with a simple activity, the atmosphere changed fast. People opened up more than I think than they expected themselves.
Thinking about impact, can you give an example of something that has already changed or could realistically change because of this work?
A very concrete one. Teachers started to think using small things like image-based instructions, images that are meaningful for the one who picks the image, and positive peer feedback as a tool with different size of groups. I was talking with someone that they have maybe 80 students in the course, and they were asking how would we work with this big group, and there are always ways. So I'm happy to the kind of seeds which are now growing.
What kind of difference do you think this could make for teaching or even for students' learning?
It can make learning feel safer and more motivating. And students maybe participate more and they feel more connected to each other and their teacher. And that usually leads to better learning as well.
Would you say this is more of a small improvement or something that could really transform how we teach and learn?
It may look small, very small, but it can be quite transformative if more and more people are using tools like this, because it changes the experience of learning, not just the content. And experience is something what people remember.
And what would need to happen at your institution for these ideas to really take hold?
Honestly, not big changes, more like encouraging teachers to try small things, share something what is meaningful for them, and so the teachers also get the experience. And then when they get their own experience, they can use the same method with the students. And sharing good examples and giving permission to keep it simple.
Do you see potential to share or scale this idea across other INGENIUM universities?
Definitely, yes. These tools are very flexible and works in different subjects and cultures. Very easy to adapt.
What kind of collaboration would help move things forward?
I think sharing practical examples, maybe short pilots, joint workshops, like this was, or just showing what works well in real courses. And I think people learn these kind of things from concrete examples.
Finally, how would you know this has been successful? How could we actually measure the impact?
You can see it quite clearly. Are students more active? Do they interact more? Do they stay in the course? Also feedback. Do students say they feel more connected, supported, and safe? They may be using different words, but are they expressing these kind of things?
And to wrap up, what's one key message you'd like to share with colleagues who weren't able to attend?
Start small. You don't need complex tools. Even one simple thing, like meaningful image or positive feedback, can already change the whole learning experience.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.